Hello, today we'll see about some important terms of process. See, I have written some important terms: is arrival time, burst time, completion time, and turnaround time of a process. See, these are very important when you start doing some problems of CPU scheduling, that is FCFS, shortest remaining time first. So let's see. See, arrival time. See, I have written the definition. You can write it because it is important. So arrival time, a time in which process enters the ready state. Means if there's a process, see, there are how many states we know? There are 5 states. See, from a new state, when a process enters in the ready state, from new state when a process enters the ready state, this is the arrival time of the process. Means from a new state, this is new state, and when it enters to ready state by long-term scheduler, then the process for example for the process P1, this is called the arrival time of that process. Then burst time, see, it is a time required the CPU to execute that job. What does it mean? See, burst time means the time means the process requires the time to execute that job. See, from ready to it is, if it is a ready state, and it is a run state. From ready to run state means the process is moved by short-term scheduler, and in run state the process execute that it is measured in milliseconds. In milliseconds, burst time is measured in milliseconds. In run state, it spans the burst time. In run state only the burst time is measured. So it is a time required the CPU to execute that job. In run state for the process P1, for example, for the process P1, the burst time is measured in run state. Then the completion time means time required to complete a process. What does it mean? From run to terminate means when a process moves from run to terminate and the process finishes execution. This is called the completion time. Time required to complete a process. Then turnaround time. See, completion time, CT minus AT means completion time minus arrival time. See, this is very important because when you do some numericals on CPU scheduling, the burst time will be given, arrival time will be given, process ID will be given. They will tell us to find the turnaround time and waiting time. So we have to find this formula. We have to find it first, completion time. See, and we have to find turnaround time, completion time minus arrival time. So in next video we will say about scheduling problems. We will start with FCFS, first come first serve. See, turnaround time equal to completion time minus arrival time. So what do you mean by waiting time? Waiting time will be turnaround time minus burst time. So waiting time will be turnaround time minus burst time. Turnaround time minus burst time will be waiting time. See, these are the important terms which I have written here. So you can take the definition, or you can take the notes. So, and you have to remember these 2 points: there is turnaround time and waiting time, because this is a very important when you solve numericals and problems on CPU scheduling. And waiting time, turnaround time, and burst time. And there's another term is the response time. So when I'll solve the numerical, I'll explain you there only about response time. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.